In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add color to important sections of your document and how to remove it when you're done. We'll be working in the Google Docs mobile app, so have your phone or tablet ready. First, open the Google Docs app on your device. Give it a moment to load your files. On the home screen, find the document you want to work on in your file list. You can scroll through Recents, browse your folders, or use the search bar if that's faster. Tap the document to open it. Once your document is open, enter editing mode by tapping the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. Depending on your device, it may appear at the bottom right or along the top bar. You'll know you're in editing mode when the keyboard and formatting toolbar are available. Now select the text you want to highlight. Double tap a word to select it. You'll see blue markers appear on either side of the selection. Drag those blue markers to include the full phrase, sentence, or paragraph you want to color. Take your time here. Zoom in if needed for precision, and make sure you've included everything you want and nothing you don't. With your text still selected, look at the top toolbar and tap the A icon with 4 horizontal lines next to it. This opens the formatting panel, which controls how your text looks. In the formatting panel, make sure you're on the Text tab. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Highlight Color. This is different from Text Color. Text color changes the color of the letters, while highlight color places a colored background behind them. Choose highlight color. You'll see a grid of colors. Tap the one you want, and the highlight will apply immediately to your selected text. If you change your mind, you can pick a different color right away or undo your last action using the undo arrow in the toolbar. To remove a highlight later, return to the same highlight color menu and select None. That clears the color without changing your text. A few quick tips as you practice. If the toolbar ever disappears, tap the screen or reselect your text to bring it back. For multiple sections with different highlights, repeat the same selection and color steps for each area. And if your highlight looks too light or too dark, try another shade until it stands out just right against your document's background. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective highlighting in Google Docs on mobile.